guys, today we are gonna showcase my mode in crafting a building. Please don't be mean, it's my first time. And it only have 3 maps and no biomes yet, but that's fine. And here's my voice reveal. Hope you like it. And the first map we can showcase for today is the miner. And the miner does have that much animation yet, but I promise that I will work on his animation soon as on the next updates I will try. And here's where you can trade with him. First, click that trade option, and you will see the level 1 is you need to trade beef steaks or beef for 1 coal, and it has 11 uses. And the level 2 is that you can give him iron pickaxe for 10 irons. And for level 3, you have a good deal because you can give him 20 torches for 1 netherite, but it only has 9 uses. But that's pretty good if you ask me. Second map we're gonna showcase is called the Great Frost Bear, and here's his spawn egg. It looks kinda silly, is it? I will give some quick lore recap about the Great Frost Bear. Great Frost Bear are the assassinators of the polar bear and only can be found in the ice mountains, and they are going extinct slowly because their max earth size, or the maximum they can spawn in, is only 2 individuals at once, which is kinda bad if you ask me. And they have longer paws and leaner body to survive. The third map we can showcase is called the Crying Martin. He does not have that much animations like the miner, but I think I will work on it in later updates. So as you can see, here's his working animations and his face animations. So guys, ignore the background sounds, it's my family, okay? And I'm gonna spawn the warden. The warden is supposed to attack the warden because it's his nearest attackable target. So I will try. As of I spawned the warden, it just worked. So I might fix and it just worked as hope he cannot attack it. So I will try to fix it in the next updates, okay? For now guys, bye everyone. See you tomorrow or the next video. I hope you good luck. And please subscribe to my channel to support my journey on making add-ons on Minecraft. Goodbye guys!